Jurassic Jeep and Off-Road Group.
What's up YouTube? It's Jurassic Jeep Off-Road Group. Today I'm going to be opening this box, showing you what's inside, and showing you guys the quality of the product. And make sure to like and subscribe. Tell me what you guys think about this in the comments and the end. Yeah, and that's it. Check this out, guys. Woo, this is some good quality. Man, look at this. You cannot beat this. Dobinson, man, he has good quality. His company is really good. Like, I've seen people have these like bent or something and he replaced them for free. So always go with Dobinson if you have a Jeep Cherokee Trailhawk. If you want to get his suspension, it's the best one out there right now. It's basically the only one out there, so. And it comes from Australia, where they do a lot of off-roading, guys. I mean, look at the quality. Look at that. It's really nice. Gas charge. Yep. Can't wait to put these on. I already got the springs. Those are already on my Jeep. Now I just need these. Here's a close-up of them. There you go, guys. That's my thoughts on it. Make sure to like and subscribe to my channel so you can get more of my videos and hit that what's it called, that bell button, so you can get notified when I upload new videos. Yeah, don't mind that. That's my sister's baby. Okay, just focus on these, guys. Woo!
Jurassic Jeep and Off-Road Group.